So all you're doing is you're just going down until you see, you can either hear the drop.
You want the EGT?
Well, you're gonna hear it, or you're actually gonna see a drop in your.
And then you go back into?
So, as it's you're gonna see it's initially gonna go up. Or it's gonna go up, now it's gonna go down.
On the tack? Yeah. Get this guy going.
There you go. So then I just gave it 3 good spins. But when we go to the run up, you're gonna go mixture rich anyways, and so you make sure you're just leaning it anyways, just for whatever. But okay. Yeah, I'm not familiar with this cam.
Yeah, it's a crazy guy. I
like the Garmin one better, honestly.
Yeah, I don't like it. What's 8 is 125.75.
26.5, yeah.
26.7.
In the vicinity of the Lawrence Airport. Advise on initial contact that you have ATA's uniform.
Uniform.
ATA's information, uniform 2100 Zulu, weather, wind variable at 4, visibility 10. Sky condition, few clouds 5,000, 7,000 scattered, 9,500 scattered, temperature 32, dew point 18, altimeter 3005. Visual approach and use, landing and departing on runway 32. Temporary flight restriction in effect within the 30 nautical mile radius of the Martha's Vineyard Airport. Contact flight service for NOTAM and additional information. Use caution of wildlife and bird activity in the vicinity of the Lawrence Airport. Advise on initial contact that you have ATA's uniform.
Alright, uniform?
Yep, uniform.
Alright, and what's ground? 124's?
124.3.
You want to call up the tower?
Do you want me to call ground or tower?
I mean ground.
I can.
Yeah, you remember what to say?
Yeah, it's Lawrence, right?
Yep.
This is Lawrence Ground, Skyhawk 3509 Quebec.
Yep.
Alright. Lawrence Ground, Skyhawk, November 3509er Quebec, at parking we're ready for taxi and departure.
3509 Quebec, ground runway 32, taxi via Charlie.
Taxi via Charlie for runway 32, 09er Quebec. Oh, it's been rusty.
Yeah, man.
Ugh.
There you go, man. Yeah, I forgot to. This is executive flowers. But
oh yeah, I was like, where are we at?
Where the
right
fuck
now?
are we?
Yeah,
he sees us. He knows what we're doing.
Oh yeah, no, he's right there. Yeah.
He's always laughing his ass off.
Yeah, he's probably like, oh, this guy's a newbie.
Yeah.
Never heard that voice before.
Nah, they're nice people.
Yeah. So what do you do? Run up just up here? I mean, there's no one else here.
Yeah, we do right here.
Yeah, there's no one else here.
Yeah, we'll turn around, face the front. And
yeah, they still said variable 4, so really, you can point it wherever you want.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah, just go full ridge.
Yeah. Alright, so up.
Okay.
Back, going back. Got the drop. Is good.
And do you
Temps in the green.
Do you do an idle cutoff or no?
Yeah. Everything's in the green, and yeah, now we'll pull back. See if we die.
Oh, good. Don't want that to happen on final.
Yeah. I always just wait a while, just make sure.
Oh yeah.
I don't trust these guys.
Oh yeah. My instructor always likes to keep like stuff going so the engine's hot, but I mean it's a hot day.
Yeah,
and it's probably just.
I want to see if it's going to die on the ground.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So brakes are set. Was rich. Throttle was checked. Checked magnetos. Vacuum was good. Engine pan was good. Instruments were checked. Level we had 3005.
Is that what the?
That was today.
Yeah.
That was good. Alright, check flight controls. Alright, cool.
Yep.
Yeah, did you want to take off? You feel good doing that, or?
Yeah, you can take off, man. Go ahead.
Cool. Yeah, we'll take off, and I want to be heading north.
Alright, you want windows closed for takeoff?
Yeah, we'll pop them open once we get going.
Yeah. No. Oh, this window sucks. There we go. Get some air in here.
Sound like Morgan Freeman.
You sound like Matthew McConaughey.
Yeah, I've had that before.
Had that before, yeah.
Yeah.
Sound like Matthew McConaughey.
I like McConaughey. Poor dude. Alright.
Alright.
They keep getting. Stay the same. Alright.
You want to call tower or you want me to?
Yeah.
Oh wait, so the tower is
119.25. So just flop.
Oh, you already got it programmed. Cool.
You want to do it? Alright, so it's
Where do you want it? Are we going north?
Yeah, we're going north.
North? Okay, gotcha.
Do you know what to say?
Yeah. We're holding short at Charlie, or what? On Charlie, holding short at.
Yeah.
Okay, right, gotcha. Lawrence Tower, Skyhawk 3509, Quebec, holding short on runway 32 on Charlie. You're ready for northward departure.
3509 Quebec, Lawrence Tower, northwest departure approved. Runway 32, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on runway 32 for 09er Quebec. Thank you.
Get that on.
Yeah, transponder.
Yeah, with altitude.
Good. Oh yeah. You want it with alt? Because it's on right now.
Oh yeah, out. Yeah.
There you go, yeah.
Thank you all.
You're welcome. You want me to hold that or no?
I will just shove it down there.
Okay.
We don't need that.
Cool. I'll get out of your way. Ah.
Kick the tires, light the fires.
There we go.
Airspeed's alive. We got 50.
Uh-huh.
Got 60. 70. Want to have some fun real quick.
Pick up some speed.
Hee-yah! I like doing that.
Oh yeah, pick up some speed.
And
round
the
whoop.
whoop.
Yeah.
Kept it gentle.
Thanks.
Yeah, not too bad.
Yeah, this is already prettier than anything I flew in Texas.
Alright, we'll start making crosswind.
Alright. You're good.
Oop, overshot it.
Oh,
yeah, we're going north.
Yeah.
Piece of doing touch and goes.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the thing in Texas is you have a lot of, like, flat ground to land.
Yeah.
So in case of emergency, you can land anywhere. Down here, it's a lot of trees.
You gotta think what you're doing.
Yeah, you really got to pick where you want to land in an emergency. I mean, there's a golf course behind us.
Alright, we'll keep... we'll lower out 15. We'll stay low till we get up there. Yeah, 3-3. Alright. Alright.
That's beautiful. You can already see some of the, like...
Alright, that's exactly where we're going to.
Yeah.
We got this guy going. Mile map, so.
Okay, so is this the one that we got to stay away from?
We gotta stay away from all of them.
Oh, okay.
I mean, we don't have to, it's just... Oh, it's 2,500 feet. We're fine.
I'll just keep on this 030.
Yeah, it's just 2,500, 43.
Okay.
It's their 10-mile radius, though. And then we'll go in kind of to like those mountains right there.
Gotcha.
Like Laconia, like you see those mountains, we'll get to those ones to see another set, and then we'll be at Laconia.
Gotcha.
Like 30 minutes and... Yeah, nice job with the altitude.
Yeah, I gained like 300 initially, and then I was like, oh, I'll get it back.
That's not so bad. Yeah, I like flying this low.
Yeah, it's very scenic, very pretty.
Yeah. What I do is I get to the mountains though, I don't gain, I just stay the same height.
Yeah.
Just kiss them. You see some pretty cool houses on top of them.
I say, how far away until we're in New Hampshire are we there?
The border is probably that little dirt track.
Gotcha.
We're crossing it.
AC 46 to Manchester. Can you hold short runway 60? Just a couple minutes for traffic on final.
Gotcha. Well, hold short.
Probably right here is his birder.
There. That baby out of the way. Alright.
Danny Barrow's good and it'll get a little bumpy by the mountains, but
Yeah. Looks
pretty
like we're
good.
gonna shoot the gap between these two, really.
yeah. They're about halfway there.
Nice.
Taking good time. Cruising pretty fast too.
Ellington traffic, Syracuse 7311 Juliet, 10 to the east, inbound for landing, be setting up for a left downwind 01, Ellington.
That was Laconia.
That was Laconia?
Yeah.
Does your thing tell you actual ground speed?
Does altitude.
Some altitude, actually.
Ground speed 100 knots.
Not bad. Like
Yeah.
115 miles an hour.
Laconia traffic, Skyhawk 97055 is about 5 miles to the northeast of the runway, up at 3,000 feet, practicing maneuvers over the lake, Laconia.
Give you a good reference, that lake is right there, so.
Yeah.
But yeah, a little bit different from Texas.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. That guy just had a little bit of a southern drawl.
Yeah. Yeah, Laconia's a really cool airport. We'll do a touch and go, and then we'll shoot out, go over the lake, do like a steep turn, and come back, and like a lake with a whole bunch of little islands in it, and
Yeah, I think I remember seeing a picture that you took.
yeah. It's a good place for flying.
What's the what's the above ground?
Mansfield traffic, Twig Lima, downwind.
Oh, the airport?
Mansfield.
545 feet.
Oh yeah. Right now
These are about 2,400 feet.
Yeah. They were.
Like, we're up a climb when we get there, and
That's a pretty lake.
yeah. It's weird flying without my feet on the rotors.
All right.
It's like, I don't know. I don't know what to do with my hands.
Be like, what's his face and tell
Yeah,
me,
this
what
is-
do I do with my hands?
You can put those down. Yeah, to keep an eye out for those cell phone towers on top of the mountains.
Yeah. This is kind of like western Texas area. You get out a little bit and it gets a little bit, but we never flew out that far.
Yeah. Nah, it's beautiful here, and
Because we'd be way past our practice area by now.
yeah. Yeah, I wish I had a sectional map so you can do like a kind of a mock cross country, but I don't have a paper one.
Mansfield traffic. 40 Eastern section inbound, GTS approach 3240, Mansfield.
Yeah, I mean, that just looks awesome.
Oh yeah. A lot of nice houses out here and all that.
You'll see this one, depending on the approach we take in to go back, like mansion, and the planes fly like 500 feet above them all day.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Yeah, we'll do this and it'll be left downwind for was like 3 something.
2.6. I think it's 2.6, isn't it? Because it's like 4 and 2.6 or something like that.
8 and 2.6.
8.26. There you go.
Yeah, it'll be 2.6.
Go to, you mean a left or a right? Right downwind?
Yeah, it'll be right downwind.
That side of the front. Yeah, I mean, if we do a right downwind.
The runway's going to be on the right side.
Yeah, if we do a right downwind, I can set that up.
You're right. Yeah, we'll keep going this way.
It's more natural out of the right-hand side of the cockpit.
Yeah. Guys, do what you want. Just call it out. We'll be good. We pull one airplane in 15 minutes. So.
Yeah. Yeah, you want? What do you call it? 10 nautical miles or what?
Yeah, we'll call when we get way closer.
Yeah, we can call 5 or something too.
Yeah, well, right when we get to like around the mountain, we'll call.
Cool.
We still got like 10 minutes, 10, 15. Probably got 10 minutes to get there.
Laconia traffic, Skyhawk 97055, just on a straight out 3 mile final for runway 26, Laconia.
260's over the lake.
But too much trimming.
Skydiving over Ellington, stopped at 5,000 below Ellington.
Turner's fault, traffic, full, flight at 12, Bravo Charlie, 3 mile final, 34, Turner's fault.
Yeah, I'll wait till we get about there.
Call it downwind?
Yeah. What 10 miles out?
Yeah.
I don't want to forget the other guy.
Yeah, yeah.
Probably like go over there for another spot.
Can we head that way?
Yeah. See that little body of water right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, get in for that guy.
Laconia traffic, Skyhawk 055, short final, runway 26, Laconia.
There's Laconia. Short final.
You said like King, or maybe you could have said Laconia.
Okay.
Laconia traffic, Skyhawk 055, is departing runway 26, Laconia.
He's reporting 26, okay. So keep an eye out for you gotta take it off.
Yeah. It's straight there right on the...
It's gonna be right.
Traffic, 1 jump 5, use caution for 2 parachutes in 2 minutes from 10,000 Danielson, 2 parachutes 2 minutes, 10,000 Danielson.
Who is that at?
I don't know.
Okay. He can keep going. He's gonna pop up. The airport's right by the water.
Yeah, I think I see it. It looks like maybe runway 26 is just straight like this?
No, it's gonna be going parallel. Left and right.
They have a second run? No, they don't have a second runway.
Traffic is caution jumpers in the air, 1 more minute till more jumpers, Ellington.
Skyhawk headed for Keene from the southeast. This is Force uniform. We're at 2.3 and about 7.5 miles southeast right now.
Yeah, if you keep flying this route, it should be good.
Yeah.
Just shoot that guy any minute now. I see that white spot on the lake. I don't know if that's a boat or a plane though.
I think that's a boat.
Yeah.
I'm right in the edge of this thing, so I can't really see that well out of it.
I would just keep doing all thing, and I mean, he could be flying north. We know he's flying.
Did you have a common ATIS frequency for this?
Yeah, just 123. Oh, for the weather?
Yeah, weather.
Oh shit, forgot about that, yeah, 133.25. I mean, that guy just took off on it. Nope. No, that's not showing ATIS.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they just took off on it though, so we should be good.
Yeah, yeah.
Keen traffic, 96792 is 2 miles to the southeast over Flamin Field, 2,500. Jumps away, jumps away, jumps away. 2 parachutes descending through 10,000 within 1 mile northwest of the field. Danielson News Carlson.
Where were they at jumping?
We're gonna go around. Right now we're on the crosswind.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I don't see anybody on a...
So this is a right crosswind. Yeah.
Yeah.
You got it, or you want me?
You can go ahead and do it.
Alright. Laconia traffic, Cessna 3509 Quebec, entering a right downwind, runway 26, Laconia.
Go.
Alright, you want to start dropping altitude? And
So what's the field elevation here?
500 feet, 545.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to probably put a little bit of... Alright, you want to call my base?
Yeah. Probably do that. Traffic, Cessna 3509 Quebec, entering base, runway 26, Laconia. Watch your speed.
Yeah, yeah. We're going to go in a short final.
Yeah, that's fine, man.
Round it out.
Laconia, Cessna 3509 Quebec, on final for runway 26. Perfect, man. You feel good touching down?
Yeah, we're good so far.
Alright, let me know if you want me to take it. That's cool. Perfect. Nice, man.
All right. Sweet.
Alright, I got it.
Flaps are up. Go
Flaps
ahead.
are up.
You're playing.
Nice, man. I'm impressed.
Yeah, from the right seat.
Yeah.
Woo!
Flaps are up. Flaps are up.
Yeah, flaps are up.
Alright, ready for this? I want to have some fun. Laconia traffic, Cessna 3509 Quebec, departing runway 26.
Laconia.
Yeah.
Nice G's. Oh, nice. Oh, that felt good, man.
Yeah.
A little rough setup, but you know, we're
Not
coming.
bad. I want to do one of those. That's a cool runway.
Yeah, do it.
Alright. Keep climbing. Ah, that was perfect, man.
Yeah, I'll call your stuff this time if you want.
Yeah, go for it.
Alright. Let me know when you're going to turn.
Yeah, I'll probably do it now. Keep it short.
Laconia, traffic Sky 3509er Quebec, turning right crosswind for runway 26, Laconia.
11,000 feet below Ellington.
I'm going to do it now. Zip it in.
Laconia, traffic Skyhawk 3509er Quebec, turning right down, or right base for runway 26, Laconia traffic. Are you good?
Business for skydiving or Ellington, use caution 14,000 and below Ellington.
Laconia traffic, Skyhawk 3509 Quebec, short final runway 26, Laconia traffic.
Haven't done one of these in a while.
Oh, they have the lights too.
Yeah, poppies.
Yeah, you're high. Hi, there's your good approach. Oh. No flaps too.
No flap, engine out landing.
Yeah.
Right on the numbers. Oh, I missed him.
That's alright. Got a lot of speed, so you're gonna bleed off for a while.
Ah, rough. Alright, let's do some Top Gun shit. Let's buzz the field.
This would be a really nice area to like own a plane and fly out in the summer. You got like lakes you could sail and boat on.
Yeah.
Southbound 14,000 and below, Ellington.
That won't go straight.
You want to just tell them that we're going to fly over around the lake?
Yeah.
Alright. Laconia traffic, Skyhawk 3509 Quebec. We're on our right, crosswind but we're departing the traffic. We're going to be flying over the lake. Laconia traffic.
Alright, we'll get moving on the way back, save some money.
Yeah.
Fuel, we're doing fine.
Yep.
Got about an hour of... about an hour of fuel. 30 minutes back home. Actually, I'll slow down the fuel burn a little bit. Yeah, we're burning...
Staying above the pattern, Mansfield.
Yeah, we got about hour flight time now. Give us 30 minutes reserves.
Yeah.
I was gonna fly full throttle home. We got speed, but we got too much gas.
Laconia traffic, Skyhawk 97055 is on a left downwind, runway 26, Laconia.
Just switch traffic. Actually, no, we'll keep on with Laconia traffic.
Yeah, so let me know when you want me to switch. I'll take care of the.
Okay. Yeah, you can take this guy if you want. It kind of froze. You may have to reset it or.